Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the page number 13, that is chapter number 2, Introduction to MS Windows 10. We are going to revise function of operating system. Okay, so let's check out functions of operating system, page number 13. Okay, so what is the first function? First function is operating system, commonly known as the OS, which manage all the resources that are attached to it. So which are the resources? For example, this mouse is the resources. In front of you, I'm clicking right options. I'm clicking on the computer. So that is my computer. Okay. I have clicked on the my computer icons. Again, I have closed this window wizard of my computer. So what is this? We are inputting through the mouse. Okay. And that is why it is called as a resource management. This operating system is called as a resource management. So this mouse is a resource. Okay. We are clicking on this my computer. Okay. Through the mouse. So management of this mouse, or even now I will press enter button. Look at this. I will press here and I will enter button. What will happen? You can see I have pressed enter button on the picture folder, and operating system open the picture folder through the enter button of the keyboard. मैंने अभी एंटर बटन दबाया और माउस का लेफ्ट बटन दबाया, तो ये क्या हो रहा है? एक इनपुट प्रोसेस हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो ये इनपुट प्रोसेस हो रहा है. फिर से रिपीट करता हूँ. देखिए लेफ्ट कॉर्नर, प्लीज चेकआउट लेफ्ट कॉर्नर, कैमरा रोल फोल्डर पर मैं कीबोर्ड से एंटर बटन प्रेस करता हूँ और अगेन यू कैन सी again I will click left button of double click the left button of the mouse. You can see what is the action? The opening of file folder through the enter button through the keyboard or left button of the mouse. So here keyboard and mouse both are managed by the operating system. Okay, so this is the first function, management of keyboard, management of mouse. Both resource management is controlled, is completely controlled by the operating system services. Okay, so this is the first function of operating system, resource management. So which are the two resources? One is a keyboard, one is a mouse. Okay, here is the mouse function. Again, we can see will open through the double click of mouse. Again, I will press enter button of keyboard. You can see personal folder is open. Okay, so this execution of open command because of resource management. हम कीबोर्ड से और माउस से इनपुट प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं, उस इनपुट प्रोसेस को मैनेज करना, मैनेजमेंट करना, इसको ही रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट बोलते हैं. ठीक है, सो वर्किंग थ्रू द कीबोर्ड एंड माउस इज कॉल्ड एज रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, एंड दिस फर्स्ट बेसिक फंक्शन executed by operating system. This is called as the first function of operating system. Second function they have given, operating system also going to storage operations. So what are the storage operation? For example, these file folders. Here these file folders are stored in the my computer. Okay, so this folder is stored in my computer. Okay, so you can see the one hard drive, 1 terabyte hard drive is divided into 500 GB, 500 GB. Okay, so division of this hard drive memory is also one of the main function of operating system, to divide memory so we can access that hard drive properly. Okay, so you can see what is meant by storage management. For example, I want to move these folders of screenshot. I want to make a copy of this screenshot. Copy, and again I will paste in the my computer picture folder. You can see, for example, I will select a download folder. We'll move that folder into download folder by pressing Ctrl V. Okay, so you can see this copying and pasting is also basic function of operating system. This is called as a storage function. यहाँ पे आपके फाइल फोल्डर्स का स्टोरेज हो रहा है. That is why it is called as a storage management. Okay, we have moved this screenshot folder from one hard drive to download folders. We have moved this screenshot from this my computer. You can see documents, sorry, pictures we have seen, right? My computer, picture, and we have moved this screenshot folder into download folder. Now let's check out the download folder. Here you can see we have moved this screenshot folder from pictures of folder to this download folder. So moving a folder from one location to another location, copying the file and folder from one location to another location. This is called as a moving of file folder. So this is also storage management. Okay. So third function, that is operating system, is known as a mastermind of computer system and perform many functions which let the computer work efficiently. Okay. Now look at this. Right now we are working on the screen that is Zoom recording. Okay. At the same time we are copying and pasting the file folders. So this is called as a mastering all the functions. Okay. This is called as a multitasking. This is called as a mastering. At a time you can see the Zoom recording. Zoom recording is going on. At the same time we are moving this screenshot folder. Okay. So managing all these functions, opening commands, executing, closing. Okay. Again, opening these all quick access menus. This is called as a mastermind. It is having a mastermind, and that is why it is working on multitasking, multi-programming. At the same time, it is working on the Zoom. At the same time, it is working on my computer. You can manage all the storage management. At the same time, you can also do a recording of Zooms also. So what is it? It is called as a mastermind. It controlling all the parts of the applications. Okay. This is called as a mastermind. You can see even I can open Excel. At the same time, I can open Zoom meeting. At the same time, I can open Google browser application. This multi-programming access, this multitasking access is called as a mastermind control. Okay, so this mastermind control is done because computer should work efficiently. And this efficiency of computer is managed or maintained by the operating system. Okay. So let's cross check through the task view also. So this is called as a mastermind. At the same time, it is controlling desktop, browser application, Google Chrome browser application, then Zoom meeting ID, Microsoft Excel, again Zoom meeting. So this is called as a mastermind control. Okay. So thank you very much.